Blessed day, everyone. I'm excited to share this to you how I've created this crochet strap that I can wear in my crochet rib top. So excited. So let's start. So for this project, I'll be using this yarn, which is 100% acrylic with the following label and a size 3 hook. So this is also the yarn or the brand of yarn that I've used to create this one and this one. I don't have enough yarn to followed this YouTube video on how to create a collar to create my strap, but I did change a bit. So let's start. So you will only be having 4 or 5 rows for this crochet top, for this strap. And first again, you have to create a slip knot by creating a loop, inserting your hook through the loop, yarn over, and pull through that loop. So you already have your slip knot and create a chain stitch that is a multiple of 3. So to create a chain stitch, so yarn over, pull through, insert it on the loop. So create at least a multiple of 3 chain stitch. So for the first row, add 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and from the fourth stitch, from the hook, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4 over here, you will be yarning over the hook and insert your hook through that stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So you have created a double crochet. So for the first row of this project, you will be creating double crochet for the entire or for every stitch of the entire row, meaning up to here. Okay? Okay, if you're finished with the entire row, we will be doing the second row, meaning this loop like this one. Okay, so to create that, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work around, prepare for a double crochet again, meaning yarn over, and on that very chain, that very first stitch of the row over here, do a double crochet. Okay, then prepare again for a double crochet, count 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. On that third stitch, you will be doing a double crochet, meaning you will be skipping 2 stitches, these 2 stitches. Okay, then chain 2, 1, 2 to fill up the 2 stitches that you have, and on that very same stitch over here, create another double crochet. Okay, so I'll be showing you the pattern again. Prepare for a double crochet, count 3, 1, 2, 3, do a double crochet over that third stitch, then chain 2, 1, 2, and a double crochet on that very same stitch. So continue this pattern till you've reached this one, the last row. Oh, you're not gonna chain 2, huh? Okay, continue that pattern till you've reached the last row. So keep in mind that for this tutorial, 1, 2, okay, I've only created 9 chain stitch a while ago. 1, 2, over here. Okay, so we will be fast. Okay, if you have an extra stitch like this one, just ignore, it's fine. So we will be doing now this part. This is your third row. Okay, so again, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work around, So, if you will be looking at this pattern, you have the triangle, the inverted triangle, triangle, inverted triangle, triangle, and the inverted triangle. So, on this chain 2 stitch that you have created, you will be creating 3 double crochet. So, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, if it's in the beginning of the row. For the rest of the row, so you're not gonna do over here. Okay, on this chain 2 space that you have created. Okay, and for the rest of the row, you will be creating 4 double crochet. So I have created 1 already, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, I'll be doing 2 more over here and over here. So 4 double crochet for this one. Okay, so we are now on the last row. This one, the loop. It's just easy. So chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn your work around. On the spaces, here, here, and here, you will be doing single crochet stitch. Stitch. You already know how to create a single crochet. So chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And to create a single crochet, insert your hook on that space, yarn over, pull through that space or stitch, yarn over, and pull through that loop. That 2 loops. 1. Okay. So do this till you've reached the very end, and that's my final step. Okay, but on the tutorial that you will be seeing, if you've watched the link or the tutorial that I have followed, she created a single crochet over here on the entire row, and on the 4th stitch, 3rd or 4th stitch, you will be doing a picot stitch. So to create that one, so 1, chain 1, do a single crochet 3, single crochet 1, 2, 3, and to create the picot edge, 1, chain 3, 2, 3, and do a single crochet on that one. Then add 3 more single crochet. So add 2 more single crochet. 1, 2, and that one. So you can have this pattern or you can end this pattern with this pattern. I choose to end this pattern because first I'm worried that my yarn will not be enough for the entire project, and I do like the loop and ruffle edging design. Then to attach it over here, I've just added button, so I can easily remove it and change the strap whenever I want. Okay, there, so I can have different style with one tap by just changing the strap.